As soon as you become a full member of this EHEDG community, you gain access to a variety of online and offline opportunities to network and to exchange ideas and to learn more about hygienic design. And one of these opportunities is the EHEDG World Congress, which is made possible by sponsors. And these sponsors exhibit their latest hygienic design innovations in a dedicated exposition area. At last year's EHEDG World Congress, I visited the exposition area of Bürkert Fluid Systems. And there I met Lucas Endres, who is the industry manager, food and beverage at Bürkert. Mr. Endres, what would you consider to be the most important requirements of your food industry customers right now? What are their current needs?
I think the three major requirements at the moment also transfer from the major trends of the food and beverage industry. It's sustainability, which means enhancing energy efficiency and resource efficiency in food and beverage production processes. It's food safety. Food and beverage production plants can be huge, and it's hard sometimes to keep the full transparency and overview of what's going on into your plant. So you really need, for food safety, it's important to have full transparency what's going on into your production plant and to have reliable components. And the third aspect is digitalization, which is basically helping both other trends, optimization, enhancing efficiency, and also food safety, because you get more information and data out of your plant.
Can you show us an example that illustrates how you apply these concepts in a product design?
If you look at our new flow wave, which is a hygienic flow sensor, you see the measurement tube is only a stainless steel tube. So there are no moved parts, no specific forms that are required of the pipe, with only a stainless steel tube, clamp connectors, and that's it. And that's also a challenge of the industry, that many other sensor technologies require moving parts or a certain form of the pipe or tube, which then has effects on the cleanability and the drainability of such a sensor.
What are the parameters that can be measured besides flow or temperature?
That's a very good point. I think, especially in the recent years, as process automation has become like a standard everywhere, plants are fully automated. Now digitalization is the next step to go, also on the sensor side. The sensors have to be as easy as possible to integrate into the automation system of a dairy, a brewery, or a food and beverage production plant. And then you can start with the data of the sensors for process optimization and enhancing efficiency. And especially when we look at our flow wave, with its new SAW, surface acoustic wave technology, it provides not only the mass flow, but also other liquid analytical parameters that you can use to optimize your production and cleaning processes. With this technology, you can not only measure the flow, but also density and concentration. And from density and concentration, you can derive other liquid analytical parameters like protein content, fat content, concentration of particles in the liquid, which makes this a very efficient sensor, because you have to measure flow anyways in a lot of places in your plant. And this sensor provides you the possibility to also get more information about the product you want to measure. In the food and beverage industry, it's important that process optimization, energy efficiency, and also transparency of the production plant go hand in hand. And one example how Bürkert is approaching these topics is our valve technology Robulux. Robulux compromises two actuators in one housing. That means within one housing you can actuate and control two valve seats. That has several benefits when it comes to efficiency and also food safety. As you see, this design is completely hygienic, EHEDG certified. But the more important thing is, by being able to control two valve seats with one device, you save a lot of space, you save a lot of stainless steel, you save a lot of cleaning energy, because it's much easier to clean and much more compact internal design as well. And that's really important. Besides that, it's very easy to drain, very good drainability, and it has literally no dead legs.
Thank you, Lucas, for giving us an insight in the innovation power of Bürkert.
You're welcome, thank you.